On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your key card as well as your phone inside your Model 3 so you can have both one for yourself and someone else inside your car. Keep in mind, you can have more than 2 profiles and more than 2 keys in your car. You just keep pressing the little plus button. I'll show you here in just a second. So here's the process for removing your key card. You need to have your key card ready, plus a second one to verify it. Then you're going to come in here to your profile. You're going to tap the remove. It's going to tell you what to do. Then you're going to come over here. You're going to swipe it down here like this. It goes away just like that, and it tells you key not removed, complete removal with another key card. So you actually need a different key card to remove it. So what you actually do to make this work is, let's say I wanted to remove my wife's key card. Here's how it would work. I would come over here to her key card, tap remove, then it would come down here just like that, and just like that, it's gone. See, now there's only 2 of them. And if you wanted to add it back again, you would just come back in here, press the plus sign. You would get something here that says add a key fob or key card, scan your new key behind cup holder to begin. You would take it, place it right down here like this, and you'd be good to go. Now it's the same thing with removing a phone, okay? If I wanted to delete my wife's phone, like I have no key set up right now for my car. If I wanted to delete my wife's phone, I would tap delete on her phone. Then I would just simply take my key card, scan it down there again, and it would remove her phone. But to add it now, what you need to do is you need to go into your app, okay? So you download the app onto your phone, your Tesla app. So I have it out here on my phone. I'm going to go to set up phone as key. Okay, I'm going to hit start. Then you take your working key card, again, because it takes 2, place it down there in the same spot we were just talking about, and look at that. Just like that, Superman has been added, and it says right here, Superman has been added, or set up a key to your vehicle. Done. And just like that, I am now connected, and it says phone key connected. So a few takeaways here. 1, you need 2 devices. You need a card no matter what to do this. You cannot use a phone in replace of a card. So you need your card. You only need 1 card to remove a phone or add a phone. But to add another key card, you need that second key card. That's what's tricky. You can add another phone with just owning 1 key card, but like me right now, my wife's key card somehow got misplaced, and so we can't add her key card back again. Once it's gone, it's gone. Nor can I delete my key card because it takes her key card to swipe down there to actually remove this one. So don't lose your key cards. Set them somewhere place. Keep them in your wallet if you have a wallet, or somewhere that you can always find them. And I've heard people have to call up tech support if they get both of them deactivated or if you lose one of them. So I think they're like $10 or something to replace them. They're not that expensive, but you do have to involve tech support sometimes to get them actually reprogrammed. So just take good care of them, keep them safe, and you're probably fine. 90% of the time, you're going to be using your phone as your key. So just probably don't need to have that thing out anyway. Anyway, hope this helps. See you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching another one of my videos. If you haven't already, please take a second and like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more and more content. So here's what you can expect. Every week my goal is to put out 3 videos. The next one in the tutorial series, an autopilot driving challenge video, as well as a product review. So now I just want to thank my patrons. Your support means the world to me. Thank you for believing in me and supporting this channel. And if you're looking for some accessories for your Model 3 or your Model Y, just go down below in the description. I've got codes to all kinds of products down there to save you a bunch of money while you're tricking out your car. Thanks again. See you soon.